Welcome to Pydle Day 97. Pydle is a daily puzzle you need to solve by writing Python code. Today's Pydle is the Eye of Sauron, so have a go at solving that. It should be fairly simple because there's lots of symmetry. If you're new to Pydle, then follow along. I'm not going to solve yesterday's Pydle, which should give you a flavor of how to solve Pydle and play the daily Pydle. Okay, to start with, we're just going to do our two loops. We're going to use Cartesian coordinates, although the pixels are fairly random. But yeah, let's do Cartesian coordinates. So for x in range, minus 2,3. For y in range, minus 2,3. Okay, let's do the white pixels first. And that's going to be where absolute value of x times y equals 4. So in the corners, x and y would be either minus 2 or 2. So absolute value of that is going to always be 4. So let's do Pydle 2 plus x to convert back to Pydle coordinates, and 2 minus y to convert the y, because the y is inverted as is usual for plotting canvases. Then we've got that and white. Okay, so that gives us the corners, and the outline of the earth is starting to form. Okay, next easiest would be the two brown pixels, and they are located on y equals 0 and between minus 1 less than x less than 2. Okay, and they are brown. Okay, that fills in the brown pixels. The greens seem to be fairly randomly scattered, so I'm just going to specify their coordinates in a list. So Elif, going to create a tuple so we can compare x and y in one go. Now, instead of creating a list of tuples with those coordinates, I'm going to use the zip function, which combines two lists into a list of tuples, so it matches the elements at each index and creates a list of tuples for us. So the x's would be 0, 0. So we're just going left to right, top to bottom. So those two are 0, 0. And then we've got 3 at 1 and 1 at 2. And the y's would be 1, minus 1, 2, minus 1, minus 2, and then a lonely one there at 1. Okay, the zip is extremely useful, and they're going to be green. Let's see what we've got so far. Okay, so all that remains is for us to color all the remaining pixels. So just say else, and those, all the ones are currently black, need to be blue. So we can just say color them in blue. There you go. That solves the Pydle. Try it yourself or have a go at solving today's Pydle. See you again tomorrow.